Hello and welcome back to this week's episode of Silverback Salvage. We're working on our Escort that is currently sat on 4 wheels. We are going to be doing a little bit of work today, getting it ready to go to GSF on Thursday. It's currently 5 o'clock on Tuesday. Got a bit of welding to do. We're going to get the subframe out, hopefully. We're not sure because we've built it really well and it's pretty in the car. So we're not sure if the frame is going to come out or just the subframe that we, for the Focus RS. So yeah, let's get to it. So we've undone the bolts at the back, 2 bolts at the back, 2 bolts at the front.
I've undone one.
Oh, you've undone one. Cool. So once Luke has finished at the back here, it should be a gentle So, hold on, we need to work this out because we haven't taken it apart this way yet. Sorry, swift pull later and it's out. It's now wider than you think, isn't it?
I'm going to damage things.
I mean, I'd like that. Let's bring that over here and we can have a proper look. So here you go, we'll give you a quick look of what it looks like. So yes, technically, if you looked at it, it's not square, but the floor is not square that it sits on. That's why the mounts are slightly different. So that's where it actually sits because the floor is slightly higher on this side here. But yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Everywhere that we go through is sleeved, and yeah, there you go. So that's sleeved, so they've got pressure on the tops. Sleeved all the way through, just in there. Are you proud of what we've built there?
I am, I think it's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool, mate, yeah. So yeah, we're going to, well, Luke's going to finish welding that up. I've got some other bits to do. And then we'll get going on the next part, which I'm not sure what the next part is.
Bed should be the next part.
Bed should be the next part. We've had a few late nights. Look at him, he's on the coke to keep going.
Yeah.
Wrong coke,
Zero.
mate.
Yeah.
Wrong coke.
Just waiting for him to try and say something. Right, just his penis. Right, so now we've got the frame out of the car. There we go. I'm going to go around and finish all the welds off. So I'll stick you on a time lapse and let's go.
The original plan was, I'm just going to turn this off. The original plan was we were going to get the back end in, and that was it. Then we started going a little bit crazy, and now it looks a little bit different. So, so it looks like this. We gave it a full paint job.
We haven't done the wings yet.
Yeah, we haven't done the wings, because we ran out of primer. We've got the Silverback Salvage YouTube button on the side there. And we're slightly undecided whether this is going to stay or not because it looks a bit car crash derby. But we got Road to SEMA on the back. And there you go, look, Robin. That's what Luke's drew for you, Bubba. So, we're now going to get this outside. And what we've got to do, which the boys are discussing in the background, is we've got to take this out there. We've got to spin it 180. We've got to bring it back in here. Then we've got to bring the trailer up to this ramp because the trailer doesn't come in here because it bottoms out. And we're about to find that the Escort bottoms out when it goes out and all. So I'm just sat in my hotel room in Seattle. The boys have been working hard on the car. There's some great progress for next week's video, but I'm just editing this week's video right now. I want to say a massive thank you to you guys. We have hit 5,000 subs. So 700 new people have subscribed in the last 6 days to the point of me editing this video. So I just want to say a massive thank you. This is absolutely insane. Let's get back to the video, shall we?
Well, we've made it.
We have made it.
Car's unloaded.
Yeah. I'd say we're in a pretty prime spot.
Yeah, we are literally just as you walk through the gate. You cannot miss us. If you come here, you cannot miss this car.
Right, so the Escort is out the front. We're going to take a walk round here at Techfest. So today is the 28th of May, 2026.
It is.
28th of May, 2028. You watch where we are.
Okay, McLaren's.
You might know me off your...
Back to what we were saying, 28th of May, 2028.
Yeah, something like that.
Well, this will be our lineup.
Our lineup.
It's off the ramp with rolling.
So is ours.
It's not. It's,
Ours is here and rolling.
I didn't think it was a competition. I thought it was friendship.
I'm sorry, but it was him that said this is the UK's first SEMA builder.
yeah.
No,
You started it.
My question is this.
No, we gave you a nice competition that we're doing.
So this is all my fault. I reckon the fourth cars were percentage. I did like not in the slightest. I want yeah. Where's me on camera? We've got an engine, you and we've got an engine.
We've got an engine. It's just not in it.
There's way too much. Engine. I'm from this neck of the woods. I know what happens.
To be fair, why does this car look like it's gone through Birmingham? You know you're driving on a support one. Let's support this one. Yes, is this why I'm coming, just to support this car? I love what you've done with the interior.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah.
You made it as comfortable as possible.
The front. It's very in the front though. There's like that much gap from the bulkhead. 944 with an RS4 underneath it. It might want some parts.
I like the alignment on it.
There's a GT40 with an M57 in it.
I love an M57.
Yeah.
Best engine to ever be.
That's our next job. We've got an M57, a Defender 90.
Oh, we're M57 a good Defender.
Yeah, he's already said that's the next job.
From Miami to California. Las Vegas. He ain't got crumbs on his back.
Just at the front.
Scoot, I'm going to leave this and then throw it over to Stefan and talk a bit about it. Built different, Silverback Customs, Mark II Escort from that to this. This is what we're bringing to Road to SEMA. Stefan.
Well, we all know the 944 is going to win.
Well, we don't need best on fuel, do we?
We're best on fuel. We've got 2.3 turbo. They've got a 4.2.
Yeah, but we've got a fuel tank the size of my fucking biscuit tin.
The 944 is going to win.
I say that. I said for my generation I would prefer Porsche, but it'd be interesting to see something like this be created. I can't base it off anything yet.
But Scoot said to me, listen,
Is yours 944?
Scoot said to me, listen, your 944 is going to throw everyone out the park. It's going to be the best build on the whole fucking circuit. But can I just
Yeah, but
say,
now
wait,
he's
hold
here.
on. Yeah, but hold on,
Just take
wait
a
a
step
sec, wait a
back,
sec.
have a week off, you'll be fine.
Wait a sec, because what did you say when you first saw this? That this is going to be your favourite build
Yeah,
of the
I did.
season?
Well, yeah, because someone's got to like it. Someone's got to appreciate it.
So we had a cracking time at Techfest. Loads of people gave some really positive comments on the car. Lots of people were doubters that we're not going to get this done in time for SEMA. We've got a lot of people to prove wrong here, haven't we? So I actually fly to Seattle this evening, so I've got to drive down to Heathrow. But I'm going to get a couple of hours on the Escort today. So I'll just quickly show you some of the things that we let people sign the Escort. So let me just show you a few. So yeah, we've got a few down here. Look, Bus was here. So this is Bus from Drive Aspect. I'll show you some on the door in a minute. We got R34 Poppy. So she's got a couple of nice cars, Skylines, and a few bits and bobs as a drifter. Pretty good drifter by the sounds of it. Scoot Supercars. Then the doors are covered both sides. So we've got quite a few on the doors. As always in the UK, someone drew a penis. So like I say, I've got a couple of hours. Now on this board behind me here, the list for Luke while I'm off. So I'm gonna try and tick some stuff off the top quickly in the next couple of hours and then add in some stuff on the bottom. First bit being first, I've got to finish this front corner here. So yeah, I'm gonna get set up and get going. Okay, so that is us done for this week's video. You've seen we've had a great time at GSF Techfest. We might get this car to a couple another couple of petrol hedonism shows this year, so you guys can see the progress. But follow along. It's been great feedback. You know, thumbs up, subscribe, all of that, and head over to silverbacksalvage.shop to grab your merch and your supporter packs. Let's get this thing to be absolutely epic. You know, we've got a real build off in the UK now. Both cars are going over to America. We're going to show the Yanks what we can do. So, see you next time. Peace.